Hi everyone. With everything that's going on in the world, we wanted to figure out a way to bring the equipment demos back to you. So we went ahead and had a live webinar where we did just that. This will be a quick recap of the webinar. And if the topics I mentioned interest you, make sure to contact us using the contact information in the description below to speak with a representative and get the full-length recording of the webinar. Now, this webinar is a virtual demo that we've created for the Epson F2100. Along with additional equipment that work cohesively together. Here we will show the different equipment and their capabilities, the pros and cons, and we'll go in depth in teaching you step by step what the entire process will be if you were to start printing your own garments with these machines. This demo will go over the pre-treating process, setting up the graphics on the RIP software, heat pressing your shirt, the actual printing step, and then the curing process. After showing you the entire process, we will go through some slides that will have a lot of beneficial information for you that you can keep and refer back to in the future. Throughout everything, we will continually provide tips and tricks that we've acquired from years of being in the printing industry. At the end, we take questions from the community and provide as much information we can when answering them. As mentioned in the beginning of this recap, if any of these topics interest you, make sure to contact us to get the full webinar video and ask our team any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.